welcome back to Kavita's Sugar and Spice. Today I'm going to show you how to make bread pizza on a tawa as well as in an oven. So this is a very simple and easy recipe. If you have a sudden craving for maybe like one slice of pizza, this will be a perfect one. It's ideal for a snack as well as for you to pack in kids' lunchbox. So let me show you how to make it. These are the ingredients we need to make our bread pizza. I have pasta sauce here, red chili flakes, some oregano, then I have black olives, cherry tomatoes, mozzarella cheese and some fresh basil. Out of this, these three are the basic ingredients: pasta sauce, chili flakes, oregano and also mozzarella cheese. Rest of the vegetables you can substitute with chicken or any other vegetables. It's your choice. So right now I am going to slice these cherry tomatoes and olives. Now our vegetables are ready. I have 2 slices of white bread here. It's nice and thick white bread. Adding 1 teaspoon of pasta sauce, spread it well. Make sure the entire slice is covered with the sauce, but do not use too much because it will become soggy. So once you cover it with the sauce, I am going to sprinkle a little bit of red chili flakes, which is totally optional. I would recommend not to use this if you are making this for kids because it will be too spicy for them. Next, we can sprinkle some little bit of mozzarella cheese before we add our vegetables. So once we do that, let's place our tomatoes and olives. You can place how much ever you like. I'm just using a minimum quantity. Next, I am going to take 1 basil leaf, chop it into pieces and sprinkle it on top of the bread. Next, we can cover our bread slices with cheese, lot of cheese. Make sure all the vegetables are covered with the cheese. Last but not least, I am going to sprinkle some oregano on top of our pizza for an added flavor. Now we can bake it for 12 to 15 minutes in a 350 degree Fahrenheit oven or a 175 degree Celsius oven. I'm using a toaster oven here. You can use a regular oven if you prefer that. If you don't have an oven, don't worry about that. We can make this bread pizza on stove top as well. Keep a pan, heat it well, add a teaspoon of butter. Once the butter is melted, add both bread slices and cover and cook it for 7 to 10 minutes in a very low flame. Remember, it has to be low flame. Now our bread pizzas are ready. This is the one from the toaster oven. And these are the ones from stovetop. The cheese has nicely melted and it looks really yummy. So both the pizzas are now ready to serve. I'm going to add some more fresh basil pieces just for an added flavor as well as to make it prettier, which is totally optional. This serves as a great snack as well as a good option for kids' tiffin box. I hope this recipe will be really handy for you. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.